So this is my 1950 Ford 8N that I've had for a couple weeks now. As with anything that you get that's been used, there's usually always some things that you find that need to be done. Today's project is to replace the exhaust manifold gasket. This should be a pretty straightforward repair. I hope you guys stick around and maybe we'll learn something together. Looks like we've got 4 bolts to take out, and that should drop the manifold so I can get access to the gaskets. You can see kind of down in this section, down in there, and there, under there, some of that's oil, but a lot of that is soot from where it's been doing this for a long time, way before I got this thing. So we're gonna see about trying to take care of that issue. One out of the 4. The rest are just going to be awful. I did spray these down with penetrator oil a couple days ago, so I'm hoping that that makes this job a little easier. Loose. That might have been some of the problem. All right. All 4 bolts are out. Well, that's probably not good that one. Well, if those are air intakes, I think that's air. That's air, that's all exhaust. They don't look terrible, but they're obviously not working. I'm not sure these bolts were super tight to begin with. Alright, does not appear to be a up, down, back, front. There's actually 2 gaskets on this front one. It might be a bad sign. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. The actual surface doesn't look bad. It worked. Sweet. Here's how we're going to test this. Let's see if that blows away. Well, alright, so other than that one part that is obviously still leaking, I don't feel anything leaking around the manifold now, so I'm pretty confident that that sealed up. So now I just need to fix the rest of the exhaust, but one step at a time. So now I get to clean my mess up. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that.